because whew, these are sharp.
And they will poke you. And it will feel like acupuncture.
Acupuncture. Oh my gosh!
I'm sorry. You see?
Wow. I promise you, that was not to be expected.
That was not planned, folks.
Right, free. Transplanting. Yuccas. See. Taken off. Some of the ends that I can propagate later. All right. Let me get back to it, you all. Oh, these things really does hurt everyone. Oh gosh. Facebook Marketplace purchase for the day. Transforming my pool area to a mini water. So what they stated is just, which this has a few roots on the end. Add this into a pot. Nice. And I see some of them are damaged. So for those damaged ones, I'm just pulling them off. This is what the damage looks like. These really are sharp. I wouldn't want to be in the desert and need shade and have to sit next to one of these. Oh my gosh. You all can't see me back here, but I'm back here just pulling away at any damaged. And so I'm noticing how they grow in a zigzag. I'll show you all. Cut off some of the limbs of one of them. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Okay. I'm going to wait on that one. It's just too large. And I'll start with this baby right here. Oh, so as you see, all the brown, taking all of those out. Plenty of roots. Transplant these are easy because they're drought resistant, so there's no need to soak these in water. But the ones that do not have roots that I plant in a pot, I will have to water. So, clean those on up. Take off any damaged. Free plants that can go straight into the ground. That one is so, I don't know what he just did, but that one is so heavy.
Of course.
Very heavy.
The one before that was heavier, because I was capable of pulling this one without a wheelbarrow or any assistance.
Well, come on.
I don't think a bulletproof vest can take these thorns.
Marcus said he don't think a bulletproof vest. Ouch.
Can
Ouch.
take these, yeah, they hurt.
They hurt really.
And they will go through your clothes.
Claw. I don't even know why I put this on. It mentally it feels like I'm prepared for them, but there's nothing you can do to prepare yourself
At all.
Oh,
All the way down here.
ah!
You okay?
Woo! Take it, just.
Oh,
Y'all,
it hurts, y'all.
everything free does not mean it's going to be easy, okay? Okay, I got one more back here. Wow, that's all I can say, you all. I love me some Facebook Marketplace. Oops. Take off these. Yellowing. Now beautiful. Oh. So these facial expressions, you all, might be really good because this is real live. Now this one doesn't have any roots, so I will have to plant that and give it some good watering. Then I have other pieces like just bare roots, which I can just plant in the ground. This is what a brand new Yucca looks like, everyone. Look at it, so pretty. I'm gonna plant that one. See if it makes it. Oh, I have something else back here. Oh, this is my work truck. I have one more. This one, see, this is how you split them. This one has one going off the side. I could just split that, and now I have two, which that has a little root in it. So, dividing. This one really has two in here. One, two that I could divide. Yeah. Divide these things and I'll plant them in the backyard. See you all doing planting stages. Be careful. Now remember I said, okay, let me plant. Nice. Right there. Weeds, you all, weeds. Gonna get around to them.